Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today we're going to be inspired by the 8 pieces of brocades, one of the Qigong treasures. We're going to do a few exercises to help us open through the chest, neck and shoulders, work on the lower back mobility, open through the hips. So these exercises are good first in the morning to help you move the body in a gentle, stress-free way. But actually anytime during the day, even before bed, to help you release muscle tension, slow things down, and unwind. Go ahead and get ready, and let's begin. But before we begin, if you like my YouTube videos, consider joining my membership site for more videos on energy, stress relief, and sleep. And if you want to go deeper into your practice, you can join me live every Sunday on Zoom for a 45-minute Qigong session. You can find more information on how to join in the description below. Let's begin today's practice. Let's begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees, relax your hips, draw your tailbone slightly forward to help you relax and open through the lower back area. Keep your spine nice and long, shoulders relaxed. Allow a little bit of space between the arms and the body. Continue elongating through the back of the neck as you gently reach upwards through the crown of the head. Slowly bring your hands just below your navel. On an inhale, lift your hands to the chest, rotate and open up. Exhale. Inhale, drawing your hands back down. Exhale from the chest down. Breathing in. Exhale, open up. Inhale, soften. Exhale down. Breathing in. Your eyes follow your hands. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Keep your breath slow and smooth. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. From here, open horizontally. Inhale. Exhale. Push in the opposite directions. Open through your chest. Lessen your efforts. Inhale, drawing the hands up. Positioning directly over the crown of the head. Exhale as you push upwards. Inhale, drawing your hands back down. Exhale softly. Slow and steady, breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out, push upwards, opening up through the spine. Inhale as you draw your energy down. Exhale, send it all the way to your feet. We repeat twice more, breathing in. Open up, breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Open yourself up. This should feel pleasant and uplifting. Inhale as you're drawing your hands in. Exhale, sending your breath, sending your awareness through your entire body all the way to your feet. It feels like a wash or a fountain flowing down. One more time, breathing in. Inhale as you lift and open. Exhale, gently push up. Inhale. Exhale down. From here, step a little wider, allowing yourself to come to a gentle squat. Make your hands into a loose fist, turn to the side. Open your chest as you sink down, keeping your lower back nice and relaxed. Release your efforts, coming back through the center. Inhale. Exhale as you pull across. Inhale as you transition. Make it slow and steady. Exhale, open up. Inhale. Rotate your neck nice and slow. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Last one here. Exhale. Inhale as you return to center. Exhale, make your way back to center. Relax. From here, step forward with your left leg. Going down, so making sure that you have a steady and solid foundation, shifting the weight from one leg to another. Look at the bottom of the ocean, gaze at the stars, open your chest, shifting your weight forward, lowering your torso, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Find a way to move with ease without pushing yourself or straining too much. You want the energy to flow, so allow it to flow through the ease of movement, through the joy and comfort. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Last one, breathing in. Here we want to transition, bringing your leg parallel, making sure you can put your weight confidently, step out, exhale, inhale, exhale forward. If you notice, I'm not overreaching or arching in the lower back. I'm just nicely opening up. Hey, buddy. Oh, you brought your toy. That's very sweet of you. Where you been? Where you been? Good. Keep breathing. I know. It's okay. We're gonna play. We're gonna play. Now let's do 2 more. Inhale. Again, shifting the weight to the back leg. I have Altai's favorite toy here. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Making sure you can soften here, releasing any tension, especially checking in with your lower back, your hips and your thighs. Exhale. And one more time, breathing in. Scan your entire body. Check in with your posture, with your alignment. Good. Then drawing your hands in. Feel free to close your eyes as you bring your feet together. And a little centering exercise as we inhale, drawing the energy inward and downward to your lower abdomen. Inhale, exhale. Bringing peace and tranquility into your day. A sense of calm and serenity. A sense of centering and grounding as you focus your attention on yourself. Breathing in, breathing out. Staying focused, breathing in, breathing out. And once more, inhale to close. Exhale, soften in your body. Soften your breath. And relax your hands. Thank you very much for joining me. It was a short routine, yet impactful. I hope it helped to move your body, open a little bit through the chest, through the lower back, through the hips. Let me know in the comments below this video how it felt in your body. How do you feel afterwards? I would really like to hear from you. And a special thank you to Altai who joined us today. And if you enjoyed this video, you got value, don't forget to support us, to subscribe to the channel. We can grow this community together with your help, and people can discover Qigong and benefit from this wonderful practice. Until next time, keep well, and I'll see you soon.